Hello watcher and subscribers, in this tutorial we focus on NumPy. So what is the need of NumPy and why we should use this in the Python, that we will see in this tutorial. Actually basically in this last tutorial we had seen single dimensional array means one dimensional array. But if you are using two dimensional array, then it is not supporting. So for that you have to use NumPy in the Python. So once again I repeat, for implementing two dimensional array program in the Python, you have to import the Python library. So that thing we will discuss in this tutorial. So now here we will see what about the NumPy first. What is the need of NumPy? So NumPy is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. Means generally for performing any scientific numerical operation we use the NumPy, and it is a library that provide multidimensional array object. It support multidimensional array. So whenever we are performing multidimensional like 2, 3 any operation on that, or you are performing any complex mathematical operation, you can go through the NumPy. So what is the use of NumPy that we have seen? So actually Python doesn't support two-dimensional array directly, so that's why we need this library NumPy. So suppose you are writing the code in the editor like from array import. So you are suppose importing the array module, and if you are writing this statement and we are suppose you are printing the array, then you are getting this message. Means you are getting the all the elements from your array like 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, whatever it is. So that is what the one dimensional integer array. But suppose in the NumPy suppose in the Python, if you are changing your statement and if you are using two-dimensional array, then what happen in that case? You get the error message. So that's the reason we have to use NumPy. So now you understood what is the use of NumPy. So for implementing two-dimensional array we have to use NumPy, because if you are using the two-dimensional array like that, okay, this is what the two-dimensional array, you will be getting 2 rows and you are getting total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns you are getting. So it will not support that multi-dimensional array and you will be getting the error message. So for solving this you have to use the NumPy in the program. So first you have to do the installation of NumPy. So the step of installation of NumPy is open command prompt and type just pip install NumPy. So you have to just open your command prompt, and your command prompt you just write this command. Once you write this command, you don't need to do anything. The installation will be done successfully and you will get this message. So now here we will go into the editor and we will see there how you can use the NumPy for two-dimensional array. So here dear student, I am in the editor and here I have already written one code from array import. So we have imported this array module, and whenever you run this program you will be getting the error message. You see the error message will come here because it doesn't support the two-dimensional array. So you have to import the NumPy. So now I just go into the new and I will just type the code for NumPy. So here I am writing import NumPy as suppose n. So that is my statement. So here the NumPy library is added, this NumPy module is added in your code, and now you can use it, the functions of NumPy. So what we can see, we can use here two-dimensional array. Suppose I am writing n, so you have to write that alias n dot array, and here you can go for the two-dimensional array. So I am taking the simple values. So these are the values, and you have to just close this bracket. So that is what the two-dimensional array, because here we have 2 rows and 2 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the first row you have the 1 and 2, and in the second row you will get the value 3 and 4. So now here I just copy this statement and here I will just use B. So I have the two matrix A and B. Now I just want for addition. So then our next statement is C equal to A plus B, because here I would like to perform addition of two matrix. So by using NumPy, your code will be very simple. You have to write a plus b, so it will perform addition of two matrix. Then I want to print all the matrix here, so I am writing print a, so it will show the matrix first, then print, and then print c. So it is our third matrix, so it will show the addition of two matrix. We will just check out. So you see, this was our first matrix, that is a. We have already added the value 1 2 3 4, and you see 1 plus 1 is 2, here 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8. So I just show the code which we have implemented also. So you see, this was the first matrix 1 2 3 4, so that 1 2 will come in the first row, third 4 will come in the second row. So it is a 2 by 2 matrix. So in this way you can easily perform addition. You can also perform the subtraction also, because in the subtraction case, what happen, if you just change the sign, then it will perform the subtraction. So just check it out. So now you see, there will be the subtraction 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0. So in this way it will work out for the subtraction also. And in the next tutorial we will see the multiplication of two matrix also, because here little bit for multiplication there is some change in the coding. So thanks for watching this NumPy tutorial, and I hope you understood this concept. Thanks for watching. Thank you.